Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's Friday. We've got some data that coming out today that could affect the markets. Overnight, we actually see soybean prices lower, corn and wheat a little bit lower. In the bean complex, we're seeing some adjustments in global prices that could be offering some resistance to the marketplace. Yesterday during the session, we saw CIF beans break about 10 to 15 cents, suggesting to some that we may actually have more beans in the pipeline and that the demand down the road might be slowing a little bit on the export side. We also saw our first deliveries overnight of 75 contracts on the November beans put out by the commercials. In the meal, we're noticing that South American basis levels have dropped, a little bit more beans available in Argentina to make meal to export. We've seen the European meal inverse break down a little bit. We've also seen Brazil farmers continue to be aggressive seller of beans on this rally. So it's offering some resistance to the bean market. Over in corn, kind of a similar type feeling. I mean, I think a lot of people feel the funds are buying corn because it's cheap relative to historical prices and that we might have a lower supply in 2015. There are a few people that think that because of the USDA FSA numbers, we actually could see a lower acreage in January, which could bring our 2014 corn crop down and bring the carryout down. So all those things have helped build the momentum, the upside in the corn market. Over in the wheat, I think it's partly due to the Ukraine-Russian tension, but also concern about weather in Russia and also weather in Ukraine, and also some of the cold temperatures that we've seen here in the United States. So we'll see if the funds want to continue to buy corn and if they want to cover shorts in the wheat. Around 10:30 Chicago time, we'll have a private group put out estimates for the 2015 acreage here in the United States by crop. Their last estimate showed about 3 million less corn acres and 4 million more bean acres, and wheat acres about unchanged. So we'll see this rally in D15 corn contract allows for a few more corn acres to be planted next year. We'll also be getting some information on the export sales today, and we're looking for net numbers in the beans that maybe are drifting down a little bit with less demand to China, and we'll see if any demand for the corn and wheat has picked up. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.